50 simplest everyday phrases in English. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Simple English with Anna. Today, we're going to learn the 50 simplest everyday phrases in English. These phrases will help you communicate confidently in your daily life. Greetings. Let's start with some basic greetings. Hello. Hi. Hey. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Goodbye. Bye. Goodbye. See you later. See you later. Introducing yourself. Now, let's learn how to introduce ourselves.
I'm Anna. My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you.
I don't think we've met before. My name's Anna.
Shopping phrases. Asking for help and information. Excuse me, where can I find? Do you have this in another color? Can you show me something similar? How much does this cost? Do you have any discounts or promotions? Making a purchase. I'll take this, please. Can I try this on? Do you accept credit cards? Can I get a receipt, please? Do you offer gift wrapping? Negotiating and bargaining. Is there any room for negotiation on the price? Can you offer a discount if I buy multiple items? Is this the best price you can offer? Expressing satisfaction and gratitude. Thank you so much for your help. I'm really happy with my purchase. You've been very helpful. Thank you. Returning or exchanging items. I'd like to return this, please. Can I exchange this for a different size? I'm not happy with the quality. Can I get a refund? Basic questions. Here are some basic questions you can ask someone. How are you? What's up? How's it going? How's your day? What's new? Responding to questions. Now, let's learn how to respond to these questions. I'm fine, thank you. I'm good. I'm great. I'm not bad. I'm okay. Showing appreciation. Here are some phrases to show appreciation. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You're welcome. Apologizing. Now, let's learn how to apologize. I'm sorry. My apologies. I apologize. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Making small talk. Here are some phrases to make small talk. How was your weekend? What do you like to do in your free time? Have you traveled anywhere exciting recently? What's your favorite hobby? How's your family? Ending a conversation. Finally, let's learn how to end a conversation politely. It was nice talking to you. I should get going. I'll catch you later. Take care. Have a great day. That's it for today's lesson. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these phrases in your daily conversations. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English lessons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.